guys, and welcome to the Chem Nerd. In this video I'll be teaching you how to memorize this giant looking periodic table using simple sentences which I have penned down on my notebook. So let us start from the S block. The elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium, and then we have beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now to remember them we have two simple lines which are Helena, which is the name of a girl, ki rab se faryad. So here you can remember the certain symbols used for elements using these sentences, and then as you will do practice regularly you will be able to remember their whole name and it will be on your tongue. Then to remember the second group we have beta mange, car, scooter, baap razi. Now it completely depends on your situation. If you want to say baap roye, then it depends on you, my friends, and my sympathies with you. But here razi will fit better because the symbol for radium is Ra. Then let us come to the P block, and in P block 13th group elements which are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. To remember them we have the line bangan, aloo, gajar in thela. So what you need to do is you need to put all the vegetables you do not like or you may like them, and you need to put them in a polythene. Then to remember the 14th group, that is the carbon group, we have another line that is Kartik, Shiv, Ganesh, Sang, Parvati. So fold your hands in front of God to remember this carbon group. I will mark the Sang, Parvati, and the elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Then in the nitrogen family, to remember it, we have Nani, Papa, Ashu, Sab, Bimar. Using it you can remember this group, and the name of the elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, and from S we have arsenic. From SB, now SB is confusing, SB is antimony, and from Bi we have bismuth. So let us come to the next group. In the next group the symbols themselves are very much their own line, as you will say it from top to bottom, that is osse tepo, osse tepo. Well, this is what the toppers do in exam. When you ask them please tell me, they say या किसी और से टेप लो यार, उससे टेप लो. And now to remember the halogens group, we have face, CBI, at home, CLBRI. From AT we have astatine. The name of the elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. And here in the oxygen family, the name of the elements I forgot to tell are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Now this last one is the boys' favorite. It is Hina or Karina ka Xerox Rangeen. And the elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. And now let us move to the D block elements. To remember the first line, we have a line which would be very much to your character if you have a crush on a science teacher, which is science teacher Vinita Kriplani, Man Fekoni, Kyun Jaan Jalati Ho. And the name of the elements are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Then let us come to the next period, and in this period we'll be learning it by making it in two halves. Till this one I will first tell you. Till this one the elements can be remembered by the way yaar zara number mila tarara. You can also remember it by tarura if you like, because one is Ru and one is Rh. And the name of the elements are yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium and rhodium. Now let us talk about the last period. We will take this period also till here first, and till here this is the lanthanum, which is a separate group. La hafta wo roi, ला हफ्ता वो ROI रोई, इसको हमने अलग अलग इसलिए लिखा है. We have written it separately because REOS and IR, which represent rhenium, osmium and iridium, are separate elements, and we can remember them in this way. And now we come to these elements which I had left. So to remember these elements, we have निकाह पढ़ो पंडित. निकाह पढ़ो पंडित. पंडित कभी निकाह तो नहीं पढ़ता, लेकिन इसको हम याद ऐसे ही रखते हैं. The elements are nickel, palladium and platinum. And to remember this group, there is no such line, but remember it in this way, that as we go from top to bottom, the value of the metal is increasing. Cu is copper, Ag is for silver, and Au is for gold. So gold is the most expensive, so it is in the bottom of the group. You can remember it in this way. And with this sentence, I hope all my friends who have taken science will agree, and all those in 10th will also somehow agree with it. And this sentence is, जिंदगी कूड़ेदान हो गई. हाँ भाई, हो गई जब से साइंस लिया है. So this was the periodic table. I hope you found my video useful, and if you want more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos, and channel is the Chem Nerd. Thanks and keep watching.